Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, today we have something a little bit different. Today I'm responding to the SilverLimey 79 Shoutout Challenge. As you can see, my screen looks a little different today. I don't have those items on the right hand side of my screen that usually highlights the coin cam and what some of my favorite items are, because this video isn't about me. I've tried to take out all the distractions, and I want to use this video to promote other channels. And I appreciate people promoting me, and I've had lots of shout outs, and I've even had one through the SilverLimey 79 Shoutout Challenge. But today I want to talk about others. So you can see here, I've got SilverLimey 79's YouTube channel pulled up, and he has 579 subscribers, which, as we all know, he should have a lot more than that. And yesterday he posted a Shoutout Challenge final update, which you can see there as well, the first video listed there. And so he's hoping to close this out by the 21st, which is next week. So I wanted to get this done as soon as possible. Just found out about it last night, and I'm getting it done today. So first of all, let's take a look at the rules. The rules are you must be subbed to that channel, which I am. I'm going to include this video in a card, which is the original video that SilverLimey put out. The channel that I'm recommending must have content, and this channel does. It has some great content. I need to email SilverLimey79 once I've posted the Shoutout Challenge. And you have to have fun putting this together and finding a way to promote other channels. This is really a cool idea. So let me talk about the past for a moment. I want to talk about the channel that nominated me, and that channel is Stacking and Prepping. Now, Stacking and Prepping are awesome. If you haven't subscribed to their channel, you should. This guy and his wife, Mr. and Mrs. Stacking and Prepping, have some great content, and they're just awesome people. I mean, you can tell just listening to them, hearing them talk, hearing their dialogue back and forth between each other. They are really cool. And I've also recently started a live stream with them. In fact, we've got it tonight. I'm recording this on a Monday, tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to have another live stream. It'll be our second one. And it's been going well. Looking forward to it. These guys are really cool. And I know that Stacking and Prepping have some great content coming up. So make sure you subscribe to their channel if you haven't. Hit the little bell up there as well to make sure you get notified. And keep an eye on these guys. You may see 226 subscribers now, but you're going to pop back in here pretty soon. And you're going to see that number be a lot higher because these guys are going places. These guys are awesome. So thank you, Stacking and Prepping, for nominating me for this. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate the kind words that came along with it. And I want to say thank you for thinking of me when it came time to nominate somebody. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and pass this on to the next person. And the channel that I've selected is Chimp. Chimp has some great content. Chimp is a lot different than our other channels, and in a good way. This channel has great content, very creative, very imaginative. They've got some great things coming up for 2019 that they shared recently in a live stream. Some stuff you're really not going to want to miss. How they only have 353 subscribers, I'm not really sure. But again, these guys are going to climb, and they're going to climb quick because they're just fun to watch. They're educational, they're funny, and as you can see, I've got the bell turned on myself so I get notified anytime a video comes up. Because I want to see their stuff as soon as it comes out, because I want to support them, and then I want to see what they have to offer, because they offer some really cool stuff. So Chimp, you have been nominated for the next SilverLimey 79 Shoutout Challenge. I hope you accept this challenge, and I'm sure you know plenty of people who you could nominate next. So there you go. Give us a video in the next day or two so we can keep this moving, so we can get as many done by the 21st. Because SilverLimey is giving away some nice prizes to the people who have been part of this challenge. So that's it for now. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, that would be great as well. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you get notified. And as always, let's keep talking bullion.